My morning routine is pretty simple, but it really helps me set a good tone for the rest of the day. Having a consistent morning routine helps me feel organized and gives me a sense of control over my day. I believe mornings matter because they create the foundation for how productive and focused I'll be. After I wake up at 5:45, I go through my basic morning routine, brushing my teeth, washing my face, and doing a simple skincare routine. It's nothing too fancy, just the essentials to wake me up and start the day feeling refreshed. Then I make sure to stay hydrated with a glass of water, which is a great way to be energized. After that, I change into my gym clothes and head out for my workout. Once I'm back home, I sit down with my to-do list for the day and reply to important messages, comments, or emails. This is my quiet time to get organized and mentally prepare for the day ahead. Lately, I've been trying a new method called the 1-3-5 rule to structure my day. It's a simple productivity hack that helps me prioritize my task. Here's how it works. 1 big task, 3 medium tasks, 5 small tasks, per day. This approach keeps everything manageable and helps me focus on what's most important. First, you identify your one big, the most important task for the day. Then you pick three medium tasks that are still important but not as urgent. Finally, you add five smaller tasks that are quick and easy to handle. I love this system because it makes my workload feel more balanced. A few tips I found helpful are to break down big projects into smaller steps. Tackle the hardest task first while you have the most energy. You can also plan your 1-3-5 list the night before so you're ready to go in the morning. With my day planned out, it's time to freshen up. I'll take a shower and go through my morning skincare routine. Nothing too complicated, just a water-based cleanser, essence, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Then I'll change into a cute but comfortable outfit to get ready for the day ahead. My breakfast is something light but filling to keep me going. After that, I start my work for the day. Since I've already planned out my to-do list, I can jump right into my task. Morning is when I'm most productive, so I like to do tasks that need focus and creativity. Today, my big task is creating a new Notion template for the holiday season, which I'm really excited about. I can't wait to share this template. It's going to be perfect for helping people plan their Christmas holidays, whether organizing family gatherings or prepping for parties. I like to take short breaks between deep work like washing dishes or grabbing a quick snack. It helps to reset my mind, especially when I start feeling overwhelmed or stuck. A short break really refreshes me and then I'm ready to dive back into work. I don't cook my own meals. I usually order delivery. I know that might sound like an excuse, but here's why. I don't have a refrigerator or fridge, and honestly, I just overthink it. What if I move? It feels like a hassle to transport or sell a fridge. Also, I'm worried about making a mess or breaking something in the kitchen. Plus, sometimes it's not much more expensive to order food than to cook it myself. Of course, cooking your own meals is healthier, but for now, delivery works better for me. After lunch, I take a little time to scroll through Instagram. It's a task for me. I'm not just mindlessly scrolling. I use this time for inspiration. I look at trending topics and music to get ideas for my own reels. It's actually a nice way to stay motivated and get back into work mode. Filming and editing reels can take some time, so I usually dedicate about 2 hours to it. It may seem like a lot for a short video, but the editing process can really eat up time. In the evening, I'm back at working on my main projects. I try to finish up any big task by the afternoon, then spend the rest of the day on smaller admin tasks, tracking my daily progress and expenses. I have early dinner at 5 p.m., followed by a shower and changing into comfy clothes for the evening. I like to keep things tidy. I like to declutter my workspace, clear off sticky notes, wipe down my desk, and make sure the dishes are washed. I try to avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bed since I've been struggling with my sleep lately. It's not always easy, but I'm working on it. That's pretty much my day. Thanks for spending time with me as I organized my life, completing my to-do list, and made time for self-care. I hope this inspires you to create your own productive routine.